Watch closely. Right now, I'm generating dozens of high-quality iPhone case designs using only Dream AI inside MyDesigns. Now, watch as I bulk publish every single one of these directly to my Etsy shop, complete with mockups and SEO data in just a few clicks. And when they sell, Printify handles the rest automatically. This workflow is insanely fast, and it's changing how top sellers scale their print-on-demand businesses. Now, if you want to massively increase your output, stick around because I'm showing you exactly how to do it. So you're looking to sell phone cases. Let's jump right in because I made this very easy and fast for you to do. So first, I picked a niche. I'm going with the floral flower themed phone cases. They seem to do quite well on Etsy. As you can see here, I already have some ready. Now I went over to 𝐬𝐻unt here. I just did a search for floral phone cases, and you can see these. There's quite a few. I'm getting upwards of 36, anywhere from 20 to 36 sales per week. And in the case of this example here, they're charging $30 for this phone case, plus shipping, which is almost $5. And this has not been up for a year yet, but they've received 1,336 sales. So obviously that's working. Now these mock-ups are not that great. It's in 20 plus carts. Their title, everything's quite basic, so I'm trying to figure out how these guys are getting these sales. They're not offering a ton of cases. They do have, mostly just iPhone. They do have some Galaxy. But in my case, I'm going to focus on the upper end of the iPhone cases, like the 14, 15, 16, and just sell those. Keep it simpler, but you can see the mock-ups here. Nothing too fancy. They're crushing it. If you look at their store, they're also selling them for $30. You could sell these for $25 and do better. But yeah, there's you can see how much demand they have for these. Their entire store, 7K sales. It hasn't been up for quite a year. So they're doing good. So with that being said, let's go back to MyDesigns. I'm going to show you how I got here real quick. In Dream AI, I came up with a prompt, and I'll share this in the video. So if you want to use it or modify it, it's up to you. But basically this is the prompt, and then I use the scaling feature here to scale it out to 10 other ideas. 10 other types of flowers, basically floral type of designs. And as you can see here, I have all these. And what's important is I actually generated these in the 9:16 aspect ratio. 2 images each, using the design style in ideogram version 3. So that's it. I just quickly generated these. They look good. I saved them. That's it. So that's how I ended up here. Now I went ahead and created a publishing profile because we are going to use Printify to fulfill these with one of their providers. So if I go from here, I don't need to do anything at this point. I'm just going to select all 11 of these, go publish, public profiles, and you want to type in phone cases. So you can see that I built 2 different profiles. Now you could of course add the Samsung cases and the iPhone cases together. Our canvas editor needs a little more work, so when you're doing a bunch of designs, it doesn't slow your browser down. But that's why I separated these. So iPhone here, you can see that we got the iPhone 14, 15, and 16 models here, the various models there. I'm also doing the glossy and matte surface. We're doing the WOYC Printify printer, which is great because they have fulfillment in the United States, South Korea, Italy, Australia, and the United Kingdom. So global fulfillment, which is awesome. So with that being said, all I got to do is just load this profile with all my 11 designs. You can do more designs if you want. I'm just using 11 in this example. It will be a little bit slow on this step because it's populating all the print files and of course the mockups that I have pre-selected. And you can see here, there's one thing we have to do on this step. When we're using the 9:16 aspect ratio, it works really well across all the different models. But a lot of time there's just a little bit on the width that it needs adjusted. So as you can see here, this will auto-generate a video mockup, but we got all the print files, and you can see we got the iPhone 14 cases. If you want to add more, you can simply just add them here. But to keep this simple, I'm going to focus on just these ones. Now up here, you can see this is for the iPhone 14. This is for the iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus. This is the individual print files for each of these because they're a little bit different. So I want to actually edit these, and you need to do the same thing if you're following along. So the way I do that is click Canvas, click on the design. If I zoom in, you'll see that the sides right are transparent. We want to cover the entire area. So I'm going to go Position, Fit to Width, and then I'm going to align it in the middle. Now you can see we have 11 other designs here, so I'm going to right click and sync that, and it actually applies that to all of these. So you don't have to go through each of those and do it. Now, the only thing here is you have to go through each of these products and do it. But once you do that once, it's really easy. So we'll just go ahead and do that right quick. Sync, and then save. And down to the next one. fit to width, align it in the middle, right click on it, sync it so it applies it across all the other listings, and then save. So we're already halfway done. This won't take long. Fit width, middle, sync. And let's go. Which was that? The 14 max. Now the next one. You can see some of these are almost fit perfectly, but just not quite. There's just a little bit of space that would probably be fine because outside the main area, but let's not forget to sync. And that's it. So this is ready to go. You can see it's regenerating the mockups because we updated the print file. Now that is it. I have it set to generate a video mockup for you guys. So that's how easy it is. You just generate designs in Dream AI or upload your own. Load a profile, has everything pre-populated, including pricing, which we'll get to in a minute here, and then we'll publish those. So let's go to the next step. This is the data, so titles, descriptions, and tags. By the way, again, I have 11 different listings here. So if I rotate through these, you can see them. But if we go back to the first one, so we're going to use Vision AI, but you can always enter this manually, or you can use Vision AI and then go into Etsy if you want to improve it further. It's really easy. But down here, just use Vision AI. Select all the listings we have. The product type's automatically going to select other, which is great. And because I'm only doing iPhone, I'm going to say iPhone cases or iPhone case. And I'm going to leave everything else the same. Generate data. It'll now scan our design file. It understands it's going to be an iPhone case and we're selling it on Etsy. So it'll write optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for Etsy based on our design and based on the product. So elegant floral iPhone case, vintage flowers, phone cover, botanical design, mobile shell, minimalist flower pattern, gift for her. And you look here, for whatever reason, that one didn't get very many tags. That usually doesn't happen. What I'll probably do is run that again. Let's go to the next one. This looks good. Vintage floral iPhone case, pink rose pattern. So yeah, that looks good, but let's go back. I'm glad that happened because that's very rare. I'm gonna do the same thing again, iPhone case, and just run it one more time. Now I could just run it for that one selected listing, but I wanna rerun it for all of them to see if we get better output this time. All right, that's better. So now, yep, got all our tags here. Got all the product features, title, descriptions, so everything is there. Floral lavender iPhone case, you can see it's got the lavender flower in this case. So that's much better across the board. And that's it. So from this step, again, you can look through these, you can modify it further, improve it, or do that on Etsy after. But I wanted to show you the possibilities here. So let's go to the next step. It's going to automatically pre-select pricing because I already did all this for you. It renamed the variant field or the drop-down field to phone model. This pricing on the cost is pulling it in from Printify. And because this is a demo account, we don't have Printify Premium. But if you do have Printify Premium, you see that's only going to be $10.73 plus $4.39 for shipping. So just over $15. If you're selling these for $25 plus shipping, your profits are going to be about $10 to $11, which is great. And I have it set at $49.98 because I always run a 50% off discount. That is why that price is there, because when that drops down, it'll actually be $24.99 when it's 50% off. So that is why it's that high, just in case you're wondering. So now we can just go to the next step. Again, this is just a step to preview everything. It'll have all of our products. It shows all the print files, the titles, descriptions, tags. Now you can choose your shops here if you have multiple, but in this case, this is our demo shop. I already had the phone cases category on Etsy selected. Everything else is good to go. If you do have Printify selected and you do have that particular printer added, you would change this to a member or another company or person, and then you would choose that printer. But in this case, I don't on this demo shop, so I'll leave it as this, and of course, just adjust that later. But that's it. I just hit publish. Now MyDesigns in the background will generate all those mockups. I think we had like 5 or 6 mockups across 11 different listings. So, you're talking 70-ish mockups there. And then also we have all the data being generated, which is done. And then it'll generate a video mockup, which is a transitional slideshow of your different mockups. So that's in queue. Won't take too long to publish. And once it's done, we'll move over to the Etsy shop so I can show you what those look like. And then that's pretty much it. That's easy. All right, one more to go. We're almost there. That literally took less than 2 minutes. So let's move over to the Etsy shop. This is again is our demo shop. So let me refresh this. And these will always appear under your drafts folder. We're not gonna automatically publish them. We want them to appear under your drafts folder for you. As you can see here, we got the video included. All the details are here. These look great. So if I wanted to publish these, I might as well for this demo. You can select all. Now you can change the section if you like, but let's just publish these. And now I will go and just pull one of them up so we can check it out on Etsy. But first we'll show you here, got your title, the tags, the mockups. One thing we also do at MyDesigns, which you're probably not aware of, we write your alt text too for every single one of your mockups automatically in the background with our AI. And so let's keep going. You got your description here, pricing, all that set up, the different SKUs we selected. Yeah, it's good to go. Let's go preview this now on Etsy. So you can take a look at what that looks like. This is what the video looks like. It's good because if they're on the search page in Etsy, they hover over your listing, it'll rotate through some of these different mock-ups, even though they're quite similar because they're iPhones, but they are a little different depending on the model there. And again, got the iPhone models here. The surface, either glossy or matte. And if I were to run that at 50% off, that would be $24.99. So yeah, that's the process. It's easy as that. You can do it in a couple minutes. It's not hard. We really simplified it. If you want to add additional models like the Samsung models, you can just select those and do that there during the publishing process after you load the profile. But that is it. So if you have questions, let me know. There's one more thing I do want to let you know. We will have the iPhone 17 models. I know they're releasing sometime in September. So as soon as we have access to those, we'll be on the first to have them live in our catalog. So look out for those if you're selling phone cases. Talk soon. Cheers.